All right, are you able to hear me good now?
Oh shit!
You got taken down?
I need help, bro.
I'm coming.
No!
Oh shit, what's going
¡La
on?
vas a matar, perro!
What a fucking coward.
What he
God
had?
damn it, I was low. Dude has a Fennec. Oh
Take-
shit, okay.
Hold on. What's
Get out of there. Heal. Heal. Oh god, no.
Oh shit, he's right behind me though.
No, he's right there. Yay. Yeah, he's right there.
You picked the wrong
Got
house,
him.
fool!
He gone.
I gotta switch weapon though. Alright. I don't like the weapons I have, but I guess it's better than nothing, right?
It's better than nothing. I'm almost back.
Alright. Told you I got you.
One eternity later.
No, I don't have my... Dang it, where'd it go? What, did he take it? Yeah, he took it.
The what?
Let's go. The red iron sight. Reloading, cover me!
Oh damn, I didn't even see that guy. Oh damn.
Yeah, I just saw him coming out.
I would have got shot.
Wait, what?
I would have been shot right there. I didn't even see him.
Always gotta keep your eyes out, man.
Mm-hmm. Like for real.
Oh.
Choppers.
What? No, wait.
And they're shooting around here too.
Yeah, to our left, I think. Yeah. Somewhere east, 120, no, around like 180 or so.
Oh yeah, it's by the yeah, it's by the
Oh,
over there. That means a couple people died over
went to
there.
the chip terminal.
That means a couple people died over there. Man. Alright, so you wanna go up right now, I guess, since they're dead?
Yeah. Yeah, let's go.
One eternity later.
Oh,
Look.
where's that? Oh, wait, there's somebody to our left.
Yeah, I
West
see that.
316?
Let me take my drone out. Cause I did see it on the map
I'm
too.
just seeing- Yeah.
But my drone's not getting nobody though.
Oh, I see them. It's right there.
Oh, okay, I see them too.
Oh, wait, there's one down here as well.
Changing mag.
I believe I can fly.
Where'd he go?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked
Oh, I
up.
got him.
I see that. Ooh, I'm gonna take the pacemaker. Yeah.
Alright.
Did the other guy had anything good? No?
Huh?
Did the other guy had anything good?
Just some armor plates and mods, that's it.
Oh, okay.
And, do you want some adrenaline? Do you need some adrenaline?
I got one.
Oh, you got one? Okay.
Yeah. I'm good with that.
Alright.
If anything, I would rather you have more adrenaline than me. I'm more like that guy who's here for moral support, you know?
Let's get out of here.
I still don't know how the other guy took you down.
The what now?
How the other guy took you down, like... Oh, there's a drop box. Do you want to go risk it or no? No?
Not really, because everybody usually goes for it.
Yeah. Yeah, we're not playing with...
They probably get trapped.
Yeah, we're not fighting bots right now. We're not fighting bots, so...
True.
Let me check what's inside here. Alright, I'm picking up ammo. Alright, I'm coming out now. Oh, the zone is dropping, and we're on the zone already.
Someone's dropping?
No, the zone. And we're in the zone already, so we're good.
Yeah, we're Gucci.
Half of the teams are eliminated.
I don't see nobody no more.
One eternity later.
We should probably grab that motorcycle over here.
Okay.
Oh, I see somebody. Right in front of me. I just saw somebody. I don't know if there's two, if it's just one.
EMP drone ready.
Oh, it's two of them.
It's two of them. Yeah, don't rush.
Oh, there's somebody behind us.
No. Oh, they spotted us. Oh, great. We should probably get out of here because they're rushing towards us.
Alright, let's get out of here then.
Oh! Hide behind this rock, man.
Oh shit.
Hide behind this rock, dude.
Using adrenaline shot now.
Or the car.
I'm behind the car right now.
Revive flight will arrive from one.
It's only one of them, right, so far?
I knocked one of them. I'm trying to heal though.
Don't worry. I don't see the other one though. And I know I did not knock him out.
Killed him.
Oh, you killed the other one? No,
Oh, I see
he's
him
running.
behind that bus.
Hold up.
The hell? He disappeared.
Something ain't right.
No, wait. There's a motorcycle right here. Oh, I got him. He was one shot.
You got him? He disappeared on my screen.
Come on, let's go. We need to get out.
I mean,
Where are other people?
he disappeared on my screen. Like, I was shooting at him and he, like, disappeared. I'm not sure if that's, like, I never seen that one.
He passed us with the snowboard, trying to call in his teammate, and I got him just in time. Holy.
Oh, damn.
I don't know where we should go.
Look, there's a house over there. We should go over there.
We could land here. Okay.
Like, there's buildings in here, so we could just go around here.
Hopefully there's nobody else here. I don't want to... Oh, great.
You see somebody?
There's zombies. There's zombies over here.
Chip terminal is
Open
ready.
spot. Holy. Yeah, there's somebody here. Oh, it was just a bot. Okay.
Oh, you took him out.
5 teams.
Is that you?
Yeah, this new. Oh, there's a car coming in.
No, that's not you. Get up. Yeah, come in here. Come in here.
The airdrop is coming.
They're in here. Come on.
Oh shit, I fell. Oh, you're outside already?
Wait, where is there? Yeah, I'm outside. I'm trying to see because I heard them get out of their vehicle.
Do you want to engage them?
But I don't know where. Oh, I see them.
Let me take my drone out.
Your
Oh.
teammate is here. Rushing us from over here. So get ready to shoot.
Alright, I got my drone out.
That's the sound of the
Oh, he's
police.
right in front of us.
That's the sound of the
He's in here.
That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the police.
There's still 4 more teams, bro.
How many adrenalines do you have?
I got 3.
Okay.
Do you need some?
No. I got 3 of them too.
Alright. We should probably camp for now. Because we're just in zone.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Alright. We're top 3 right now, bro.
Yep.
I'm scared.
Ooh, and the next zone is not here either.
Fuck, it's out in the open. Oh, God. I don't hear anybody, so we should be fine.
Like, I don't see anybody either right now.
I'll change armor plates. Alright. We should probably get going. Alright, where did we leave the car?
Damn.
Oh, I hear fighting.
Yep.
Meaning
Alright,
we
there's
probably...
Airdrop is coming.
There's 4 more people.
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Well, I'm still in.
My bad. I'm not a very good driver.
Trust me, I'm worse.
Alright,
You're-
we should get off here and get on this thing.
The safe zone is collapsing. The last revived flight will arrive in 1
Oh,
minute.
you went way up there, huh?
Yeah, need to get higher ground. Oh, one's down here. Do you see him?
No, I do not. Let me take my drone out.
Right there.
Oh, I see him.
Oh, there's 2 of them. Don't or come over here because they're gonna shoot you. They're out in the open. Reloading. Come over here.
Coming around.
I hit one of them. Oh no, we're gonna get shot in the other place. Come over here. Let them fight it out. Let them fight it out. There's one behind us. Get out. Hold on. They're sniping. No.
Damn it.
Get out of here. You need to get rid of these 2 over here. They're rushing. No, he's so weak. He's rushing. Knocked.
Shit, I got hit from somewhere. I don't even. Oh, I see him.
Distract him for me, please.
Oh, I'm down.
Is he low? Did
Yeah.
you get him low?
No, he's still good.
Where is he?
Hey, stay back, stay back, stay back, stay back.
Oh,
Oh,
you got him.
you got him? Nice.
Oh.
Nice.
I played with just my thumb.
You don't. Okay, so 2 fingers. Alright. Yeah, because that's how I play. Like the big time pros, they use 4.
Yeah, I can't imagine using 4 fingers, 6 fingers, 10 fingers.
Me neither. Yeah, me neither. Like I don't even. My brother tried to do it and he couldn't do it. Cause you gotta keep the phone on the table. You know what I'm saying? Like you can't have it up. You gotta keep it on the table. So it's like typing on a keyboard.
Yeah, I have respect to those who use them.
Oh, there's a team over there. There's a team over there.
Alright, let's land like over here. Enemy is near. Oop. Get some guns real quickly.
Oh shit.
There's nada here. Oh,
I got a sniper, but I'm. Oh shit!
there's a shotgun.
Oh shit! I'm up here. There's nothing up here.
Shit. But yeah, you want my peacekeeper?
Oh, you got one?
Yeah, I got one. You can have it.
Where you at? Where you at? Oh, you're
Right up
upstairs.
here. Yeah. Here you go.
Now we're talking.
I'll try to use this shotgun. Anything else? Ooh.
Let me close the door just in case they try to come in here.
Alright, I feel confident to fight them. Although not really.
Oh, dang! You're already outside.
Yes, sir. Oh.
What
Be
happened?
down on the floor.
Are they shooting at us? Nah, they're fighting.
Shooting at a bot.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
I got my drone ready. You wanna go for it? Oh, they see us already.
No, they haven't seen us yet. We could slowly make our way over there. Become a ninja. Alright. Slowly.
EMP drone ready.
Make no noise. Oh, I see someone like rushing over there. Oh,
Chip terminal
Just going back in.
ready.
there's one by themselves right over here in that house. Oh, wait. Reloading. Trap masters.
That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast. That's
No,
the
he's
sound
still
of the
here.
police.
He's here.
That's the sound of the beast.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
I took one down. Got him. I got both of them.
Got him.
Oh shit. Yep, I got both. But I think there's somebody else around here, so we gotta get out.
Yeah, I just gotta get some heals. Using first aid kit now. Yeah, I hear them.
Oh, he's right here. What? Oh, you got him.
It's just a
Good.
bot.
Ooh, that bot almost killed.
Oh, yay.
He almost killed me though. That,
Adrenaline shot now.
be like he popped out of nowhere.
Peace.
One eternity later.
Oh, enemies coming around here.
Hey, yo. Changing mag.
You got him?
Alright.
Reloading. Cover me.
Yeah, you're seeing everybody around here, huh?
Wait, what?
You see everybody around here. Like I haven't seen nobody yet.
Just pretty vigilant.
I blame my eyesight because I wear glasses, so I blame it on that.
Arrive in 1 minute.
One eternity later.
Alright.
Oh, you scared me. thought it was someone trying to. Oh my god.
Thought it was someone trying to attack you.
Yeah, I was like.
Okay, I don't see nobody.
Yeah.
You want to camp out over here then? Or you want to try go upgrade?
Yeah, we can try to camp it out a little bit.
Oh shit, I got attacked.
Hey!
He has a partner because he didn't go down that fast.
It's almost ready.
Do I see anybody else over here? No.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Are you down already? Oh no, you're up.
Oh, I see someone by the roof.
The safe zone is collapsing. The airdrop is coming. Delivered.
I don't know if they jumped off or anything.
Yeah, I don't see nobody no more.
No,
Oh, I see
Did
him.
you see him right there?
Yeah. Let him
I have a
leave.
sniper, so
Let's let him leave.
yeah.
Oh
Oh, he
shit.
jumped down.
I said we just let him leave for now.
Should we leave?
No. Let's make sure that he's not there. Yeah. He's
Oh,
still.
there's another one.
That's probably his
Oh, no,
partner.
I think that's him.
I don't have a sniper, so I can't.
Yeah, I don't want to risk it either. What is he doing? He's just jumping on the roof.
Yeah, I think he's.
Oh,
Oh,
there's two of them. Oh, great.
I said we get out of here then.
Yeah, I don't want to.
Like Narco said, you know. Like Narco said, pretend that this is real life.
Yeah, exactly.
We can't go around them.
Yeah, we gotta go around. Ooh,
You see somebody?
gotta make sure they didn't see us. Oh, they got an airborne.
Oh.
Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Oops.
I don't think they saw us though.
Hopefully. Let's just stay like on the edges of the zone. See if anyone else is coming. Are they fighting somebody else?
They probably are.
Oh yeah, they're fighting someone by the airdrop.
Oh.
Hey, I think. Oh.
The airdrop is coming. Changing mag.
Was there somebody behind us?
Yeah. Bruh, I'm scared.
Yeah. And we got we gotta have. Look, if we could get that tank, we should be good. There's a tank over there. We gotta get out of here though.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
If we could get that tank, we'll probably be able to do something good with it.
One eternity later.
Pretty intense fight.
Yep. Okay,
Oh, they
five
got-
more. 5 more. Oh, there's a new zone.
Shit, should we?
But they're fighting where the zone's at though.
No. Oh, really? No, wait.
Because
Yeah.
we kind of.
Oh, somebody's with a
There's a
car,
car.
shit.
Yeah.
Stay still, stay still.
Oh shit.
We're kind of fucked right now.
Yep. And the zone will start going down in 20 seconds.
40. Oh, wait. Yeah, 40.
No, 14.
No, that's the revival flight.
They usually go hand in hand, both of them.
Not really.
You sure?
Yeah, the next the zone is gonna start moving in 30 seconds.
Oh, okay.
Alright, we have to make a risk right now getting into zone or else we're gonna get fucked. So let's go.
Do you want me to take my drone out?
Almost ready.
No. Just just come out here. We need to get going before we get stuck.
Run.
Oh shit.
Just come on. Just come on. Just come on.
The safe zone is collapsing. The last revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Alright, we should go over here and get on the highest ground possible. Over here. Oh my god! Oh!
They got you?
Oh god, oh god. Yeah, no, they're right here. Reloading, cover me. Oh, teammates are coming in.
EMP drone ready.
Oh my god, I'm so weak, bruh. Follow them, follow them. Oh no, they're fighting someone else. Knocked one,
Only 2 teams left.
killed both.
Getting close to victory.
There's still someone down here.
Oh, you got him. Nice. Nice. I still got 3 kills. Still like it. Man, on that last one,